Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by importing your financial data so you can work immediately. Connect a bank CSV or use an import add-on, then open a workbook with 3 sheets: transactions, chart of accounts, and dashboard. Create a simple account list with account codes. This makes categorization faster. Once done, set your locale, currency, and date format so formulas behave predictably. Make sure every record has a unique transaction ID. It prevents duplicates and speeds reconciliation later. Now you categorize and match transactions to accounts. Apply data validation lists for categories and accounts so you only pick valid options. That reduces errors and standardizes reporting. Use formulas, if VLOOKUP or index/match, to pull account names and SUMIFs to total by category. Create helper columns for debit, credit, running balance, and tax percent so reports are accurate. Then reconcile. Compare your transactions sheet to the bank feed using match and finish by producing monthly reports and closing the period. Use query and SUMIFs to compile a profit and loss and a balance sheet from categorized transactions. Place key metrics on a dashboard. When closing, freeze or protect rows, add an adjustments log with timestamps and explanations, and export a PDF for records. If numbers don't match, filter by account and date, then compare sums and look for duplicate ID, reverse debits/credits, or missing tax entries as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.